If you call 0800 Whakarewawa1, you'll get in touch with one of the crew. Hey, Jamie here. I'm here with Budgie from PHEC Safety, and he's actually on call right now for the First Response Unit in Rotorua. We're about to ride down the guts.
Cool.
Righto, down the guts. So Budge is on bike patrol at the moment. Notice he's got his radio harness on there. Also got the cell phone, so if you call 0800 Whakarewawa1, you'll get in touch with one of the crew. They're on call every day, but there's actually someone patrolling on weekends and holidays, which is super handy. Busiest day is like 9 people, and it averages 2 people a day, 2 patients a day, which is lots of helping. But yeah, if you didn't know about them, it's pretty handy to have them in the forest here. All organised by the Rotorua Mountain Bike Club. But anyway, that's down the guts, following Mr. Budgie. Perfect conditions. Nice. And the mad dog. Perfect conditions for her too. See, this is the unit that rolls around the forest. Cheers, bud.
Yeah, good times.
It was fun. It's cool little trail, that one, eh?
Yeah. I sort of forget about it though, but if I've been going somewhere, I'll just sort of ride up and boost, and it'll be real fun, eh?